Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the dollar index. And now, if you look on my Twitter, yesterday I marked out this block here. It's a reclaimed block here. This is reclaimed. So they were selling in here before. See the sell off here? They used that to sell before. It's gone up, sold. It's come all the way back up into it again. Also, you can see this is a daily block as well. If you go to the 4 hour, it's come to this. But I like this. Yesterday came right to the tick here, almost to the tick, and just sold off. It's come back up. See where it came back up to. Right to the pip there, perfect. Yeah. I don't want to call a top here, but fuck me, man, this looks good for a top. I'm looking at this H1, and then I was looking at Ice-T's webinar. I was only there for like 5 minutes. I had to leave, but I missed most of it, so I'm not sure if he's calling about me. But I caught the part where he's talked about here. But you can see this divergence here. Low, lower low, high, but a lower high. That's big, that is. Especially we're not at a random place. We're at a daily block as well. And this was an area where I was expecting for a possible sell-off. In this Fibonacci area as well. Yeah. But even with a short-term low, you can easily catch a couple of hundred pips. Who cares which direction it's going in? All you want is like a green light to buy. And like he mentioned, price was going down, down, down. I'm not gonna go over what he said because I'm sure most of you were there already. But it's filled in this gap here. If you look on the daily, see this here. Same thing. Go to the H1. It's gonna mute someone. We go to the H1. We've got this order block here. Perfect. It's holding nicely. I mean, I'm tempted to go long. I think I'm gonna go long tomorrow. So we've got this now. If you look at the euro dollar, yesterday I marked out this one as well. Nice reaction off there. I think we're up for at least a temporary bounce, at least minimum. Then we'll see how far it goes. Now, where are the stops resting at? We've got highs here. Maybe fill in this range here. I'm tempted to take the euro long instead of cable. The reason being, look at the euro GBP. Where's it gone? Daily. Let's get rid of this. Took out these lows here. Daily stops got taken. Yeah, it's come to a daily block. It's rallied up nicely. We've got shitloads of stops resting. If we go to the H1, these clean highs here, and then we've got some stops resting here, but I think we can target here a buy model. I think this sell-off was just set the stage for this buying here. And if you look across the euro crosses in general, euro Aussie for example, I mean, look at this beast move up, man. Beast move up. If you look at euro JPY, euro CAD moving up, euro yen, nice move up. So all the euro crosses are supporting this as well. So this is why I'll be choosing the euro dollar instead of the cable. Main reason is that the euro GBP. I think euro GBP is going higher. How far is this? Let me check. It is 135.6 ticks, but I think we can see more euro strength because the euro, if you look today, it wasn't willing to make the lows that Aussie and Kiwi. Aussie was making new lows, Kiwi was making new lows, so these are all diverging compared to the dollar index SMT divergence. How many times have you seen me point out SMT divergence and we've got massive swings in the market? This was an SMT divergence here. And look at the rally we've had all the way up, and then we've got it here again. Now if this starts collapsing, look at all these thin moves here, inefficiencies in the market. If this starts selling off, well, then I'm going to see, this is a key area here, but obviously if it starts breaking down, you know what my targets are going to be. Thin move here. Look at this clean double bottom here. Although this is a bit higher, but I still count that as clean. massive stops going to be resting here and there. So if they're going to take this market down, this is where they're going to take it. Now what does that mean for the euro dollar and pound dollar? Buy it up. I think tomorrow could be crucial. Tomorrow, I mean, I really do want to buy this. If you look at across the other pairs, like dollar CAD for example, we've come to the 4-hour block here. I was thinking it was going to take this out here, but it didn't. I took most of my profits out at the ADR, and then I think I got stopped out on the remainder. We started breaking out, I closed the remainder off, and I think I had a tiny bit in, and I got stopped out. I'll break even for the rest. But it's tipped its hand now. Look at that sell off here. So I really do. I mean, ideally, what I want is this dollar index to hold these lows. Bills stops there, and tomorrow, if this can hold, even if it doesn't hold, I'm getting bearish this dollar index. So bullish euro. Hopefully this can hold and then go up. Do some consolidation. Once Asia unfolds, I'll have a clearer idea where I want to get in. I prefer to let Asia unfold before I decide which block to get in. We do have a block here. We've got a couple of blocks. So once Asia unfolds, we know exactly. It'll be clearer. So we can look for that stop run up and then a smash down. This sort of top here as well. It does look toppy to me. It looks like if you look at a typical buy model, right, or a sell model, you can see how common these sort of tops are. I mean, like I said, it's based off what a higher time frame key level. Always want to base this off high time key levels. You want to see if you can get an SMT off of a key higher time frame level, and this is perfect. This is for me the setups I take. This is really nice setup. So I will be upping my risk on this one. I'm only looking to take euro tomorrow and possibly dollar CAD. Euro dollar I want to take. I might add to my euro Aussie longs. I really do think we've got massive upside potential on the euro Aussie. 161.8 extension. Also, I mean, this sort of a bull flaggy. So if you mark out the projection of the bull flag, look at the confluence. I mean, it doesn't get right up to the 161.8, but it's near enough. So from current prices, that's another 250 odd pips away. But this is the key. I wanted the 143.50s here, clean highs here, and then we've got this clean high here, and then who knows how high he wants to go. But it's the euro strength I'm focusing on. I like the euro strength, dollar weakness, and if I'm going to take the long, I'm going to focus on euro dollar. That's going to be my main play for tomorrow. I really like dollar CAD. I mean, when dollar CAD moves, it's just really nice. It moves nicely. As you can see, all this inefficiency has been filled up. This is why I didn't want to short it here. Even though this was a key resistance level, I'm not comfortable shorting it here. I mean, everybody was shorting this, man. It's obvious, innit? Clean support, become resistance. Look like they got wiped out. Now, what I like to look for is a filling in of this void. We've taken out some big stops here, and I think it's really squeezed the shorts. Now I think it's ready to fall. I mean, we've had a nice reaction off it. If things go to plan, this is where I like to short. Maybe this breaker here. Look on the 30 minute, we've got a clear breaker, but I know once price gets up there, once I get my reaction of whatever it wants to break up, sell off from, I'll take this. Reason why I like dollar CAD is when it comes to taking stops and filling in ranges, dollar CAD does it really quick. It's one of my favorite pairs to trade. So I'd like to take euro dollar long and dollar CAD short tomorrow. I want to take both of them. That's what I'm focusing on really. I don't need to look at anything else right now. This is all I want right now. Sorry if it's moving too fast. Sorry. Is that clear? So you don't need to focus on anything else. Just watch these two majors tomorrow. The reason why, why I'm taking euro dollar long, because of this euro GBP. If you look at this euro GBP, look how strong this is looking now. And where is this euro GBP trying to head? It's once you take out this stops level, but look how clean this is here. It's really clean here, so I think it really wants to take out this level. I'm not saying it's going to reach it tomorrow, but I think it is trying to reach for that, and I'm trying to picture a buy model unfolding now. Now what else do we have here? So we had a breaking structure here, and look at this. I haven't really looked at the Euro GBP, but I've just been looking at the structure of it. mitigation block here. Do we have a reclaimed block? Yeah. Look at this here. This is where they were buying off previously. This is the stuff you want to look for, and then you want to see price respect that. See that? I've been looking at these reclaimed blocks a lot lately, and it's just been working nicely, man. So on the way back up, they're gonna reuse these blocks, aren't they? Because they're buying here. It can be so. This is what I'm looking at here. Nice reaction, continuation up further. That's what I want. Has my sound gone? Okay. What about now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Okay, which part did I get up to? Shit, I'm gonna lose the messages, man. Chill, chill, calm down, calm down. Which part did I get up to before my sound went? Because I want to make sure it's in the recording. Yeah, okay. So can you see this here? They were buying here previously, and now look how nicely it's acted as. Now we've got a mitigation block here as well. If you go onto the lower time frame, I'm sure we can find something else as well. But price is doing exactly what we want. When we see price respecting, we can see the order flow to the top side. And that's how I played my dollar yen, and that's how I played my euro Aussie. If you guys remember when I posted the euro Aussie call in the beginning, I marked out what I just marked out this area here. I marked out this block here. Isn't it? Don't you? Can you see how similar it is? They were selling, and then now they reclaimed it. It stuck to the pip. It didn't even breach it to the pip, and then it's just gone up now. Exotics, I don't not really. I mean, yeah, you can if you're gonna trade the if you trade like the euro dollar and the Aussie dollar, and then you want to look at which one's stronger. You can look at the euro Aussie, but I like to choose two closer correlated pairs. For example, the way ICT explains it, cable and fiber, they're close. Kiwi and Aussie, they're close. So I look at the Aussie New Zealand for that. Let me just quickly go through these, then I'll answer any questions, because then I can stop the recording. So is that clear? Is that clear right now? I was calling this Aussie New Zealand short as well, but I did not get on board this. If you guys remember, I was calling it short from around here. I thought it would, and I said I want to get out of this filling of this gap on the H1 block, and because overall we are bullish this market, it didn't really take this level. Like, it could still carry on, but right now I'm out of Aussie New Zealand. Nothing clear, but just wanted to point that out. But going forward, it's the euro, cable, and dollar CAD I'm going to be focusing on. Is that clear what I'm looking for tomorrow? So I'm going to stop the recording then. Is that clear? Okay. Keep it simple. That's what I'm looking for. Let me just stop this.